Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and here it is, Thursday, September 20th of 2018. Here are some morning announcements for today. Teachers and staff, just to let you know, I just got this email last night about our annual life safety visit. That will be happening on October 1st. So last year we had very minimal things that we had to correct, and actually I was able to buy lunch then because of that to the entire staff. So I'm willing to kick that out again this year. So I'll send you out more information about this, about the life safety visit on October 1st at the end of the week. For September birthdays, we have one birthday to announce. Then that would be Lauren Young. Happy birthday, Lauren. Hope you have a great day. Our lunch choices for today is mini corn dogs, hand melt, or fun on the run. And then an assortment of different things such as baked beans and vegetables, and then we have some fruit, and of course we have milk. And then we have some examples for our pause today that students came up with, so some very good ones actually today.
Alright, boys and girls, for our pause today we have a couple different examples today for what we're working on. So I'll have the students describe the things that they have for pause today.
Working hard in math. No punching or poking. Be kind to people when they're sad.
Those are all very good things, boys and girls, so please make sure that we're working hard, showing respect, and then we're making sure that we're trying to treat everybody very nicely.
So very good examples. Thank you, boys and girls. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. And if you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure that you're standing. Put your hand over your heart. I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job. Thank you very much for our Pledge of Allegiance today. Okay, boys and girls, it's that time. It's the end of the week. We got a couple days left. Let's make it a great end to the week here. Remember, you make the choices. You end up making the day what you want it to be. So go out there, have some fun, be good, and make sure you follow our pause.